Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to change Facebook password if forgotten. So all you have to do is just simply launch your Facebook application and make sure that this application is up to date. So I will be showing you two methods. The first one is if you are already logged in. So to change that, what you want to do is to simply tap this three lines at the top right corner and then click this gear icon. Now you have to click this See More in Account Center. Scroll down and click this Password and Security. Here you will see Change Password, tap that one, and then click Edit Account. Now you have to enter your current password, new password, and retype your password. But of course, we forgot our password, so tap Forgot Your Password, and then here you will get a code via email or via Facebook notification. And then all you have to do is to click any of this here. For example, email. Click continue, go to your email, and then enter that code here, six-digit code here. And then once done, you can now click continue and you can now change your password. But again, this one is if you are logged in already and you forgot your password. But what if you forgot your password and you are not logged in? So what you want to do here is to just simply go to any web browser. So this time I'm using Google web browser. Okay, let me go to my Google web browser first. And then here what you want to do is to click forgot password, tap this one. And here you will see options like search by phone number or search by email address. So you can tap any of this here. Then you will receive a code either on your mobile number or your email. And then all you have to do is just simply enter that code and you will see the option change your password, like new password and retype your new password. So that's it. So these are the two methods on how to change your Facebook password if forgotten. So I really hope this helped you and thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next tutorials.